today we're going to use the big scope, and it's so cute, but it's really big, so I have to show you guys how to make it work. And this is your them. It's just a small crystal, so I put around the scope. But before we do that, go ahead to open the jewelry gel, and I will show you guys what the jewelry gel look like. I've caught a little man right there. Now we open it. Take the seal out. It's really clear. How glitter? I love the glitter because it makes my crystal more shiny. And that with the top coat gel with no white go together. So what we do now is go to get ready here. I go ahead to pick out a couple sides of crystal. Open it to get ready. And I have all sides because some space is less, some space is more. So I have to put all different sides. So we have to have crystal katana to pick up the crystal, by the way. So now we go ahead to scoop the products. So when you scoop the gel, if you let it go like this way, they get stretched more and then hard to separate them. So what I do, I scoop them real good and put it aside and just spin around. A little faster and then let's go. That's the challenge part. You have to put pressure down on the jewelry gel. So the bigger crystal, I would like with more jewelry gel. We have some left over for this one, so I'll go back to the container. Before I start to do crystal, I got to clean my brush really good. Alrighty, so now I would have to put top gel on the top. I don't kill them with the UV LED light yet, so I put over top. So the reason I do that because I want to take the tacky off and have two blade of the product inside one nail. So first the jewelry gel to keep the crystal stay on. Second the shiny gel type will go around a second time to keep hold on a little stronger. And the shiny gel they take the tacky away. And the shiny gel make the gel is combined so it's a little thinner so it's easy to apply the crystal. So first I go ahead and apply the big crystal on the middle. I do a little bit faster down there so make sure it makes my crystals look really good. So that you see a lot of gap around them, so I go ahead to cover the gap with the crystal. Second part, I go ahead to put the crystal around the scope because I don't want it coming up, so I try to cover the gap at the same time. Cover any space, make more shiny. Mistake here, go clean up. See, when you do crystal with gel, you can fix when you make mistake, but when you do with the glue, it's no time to changing it. So now we try to put some crystal couple spot right here, and we try to cover all the gap open, so that means the hair can go inside and pull crystal out. And as crystal rusty, so it's really shiny. I love to do crystal, it's so fun. So much fun for doing it. So it's going to be done soon, so it gives you a lot of time to work it on with gel and it's more shiny. Now I go ahead to clean on the side because we don't want the nail to look too bulky. So make sure the crystal lay on the middle. Just push a lot of work in there. And you see all the shiny gel and jewelry gel together. The crystal kind of sink down to it so to keep it last a little longer. So now I go ahead to flash them and then dry them with the LED line. Over 2 minutes. Or a minute and a half. So guys, now we are done to dry the crystal ready. So now I go ahead to use acrylic oil and hydrate her nail. You see, right? We don't put anything gel top over top the crystal because we want the crystal to stay shiny. However, sometimes you put the crystal, the glitter, or everything on top of the crystal, they don't make crystal shine. So now we clean it up, everything, and it stuck really good. so we don't have to clean with alcohol or anything because there are no white top coats. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed to see how we do the crystal, and please share and subscribe, and see you next video.